Now listen to this very very beautiful method. Method 2. Method 2. A and C way of solving. A and C way of solving. It will ease your problem to the greatest extent, sir. It will very much ease your problem to the greatest extent. Listen to this carefully. Method 2. Now, in my removal concept itself, I wrote a very important key point. Let me write it once again. There is no harm in writing. Always work with the parameter. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Now listen to this carefully, sir. In my removal concept, there was only one parameter milk in that particular question. So it is very evident that milk only should decrease in that question. Now listen carefully. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Now there are two parameters in this question. One of the parameter is milk and the other parameter is water. Two parameters are there. Which is the parameter that is decreasing? I am taking milk outside the vessel. If I am taking milk outside the vessel, then milk is the parameter that is decreasing. I am adding water inside the vessel. That means water is the parameter that is increasing. But the key point says we should work with the parameter which is decreasing. Now listen carefully, sir. Let me write the diagram once again so that I don't need to keep on going back again and again. Initially 1000 ml of pure milk is present inside the vessel. Initially 1000 ml of pure milk. 100 ml of milk is taken outside and 100 ml of water is added inside the vessel. Now it becomes a solution. I will take out 100 ml of solution outside the vessel. I will add 100 ml of water to the vessel once again. Next, I will take out 100 ml of solution outside the vessel once again. And lastly, I will add 100 ml of water again. Now, your question is, find the final volume of milk, find the final volume of water. Now, always work with the parameter which is decreasing. In this particular question, milk is the parameter that is taken out, so that is decreasing. So let me write inside the bracket here as milk, which is for this question. Don't think that every question milk is the parameter that is decreasing. It depends on the question. You can easily identify whichever is taken out, that is the parameter that is decreasing. Now listen carefully, sir. It is a one-liner answer if you have understood the concept. It hardly takes one line and it will hardly take probably around 15 seconds for me to explain also. Anyway, let me explain in detail first question. Now see here, milk is the parameter. I am finding final volume of milk. Initial volume of milk is 1000 ml. Let me write 1000 initially. Initial volume of milk is 1000. Next, multiplied by same logic. 100 ml of milk is taken out of 1000 ml of milk. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. That means 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining inside is 9 by 10. I will write only 9 by 10 multiplied with. I added 100 once again. So final total volume once again became 1000 at this point of a time. Same logic once again. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 1 by 10 is taken out. Present inside is 9 by 10. Write down that 9 by 10. Again I added 100 ml of water. Again at this point it became 1000 ml total volume. Same logic once again. 100 ml is taken out of 1000 ml. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining is 9 by 10. If you check it here, 1000, 10 into 10 into 10 is nothing but 1000. 1000 will cancel with 1000 and 9 cube is nothing but 729. Out of total 1000, milk is nothing but 729. Water is nothing but 1000 minus 729, which is nothing but 271. You only find it, sir. I am not telling you what is the method 1, which is a method which will kill your time, and how beautiful a method 2 can be there, which is created by A and C. I hope you are understanding the difference between method 1 and method 2. And only for this reason, sir, I am not telling something which is irrelevant. I am telling you that only to explain method 2 beautifully, I have taken so much of time. Although 40 minutes of time has been taken to start the class, I started the class 40 minutes before, but still only one problem is completed. That means you should understand the importance of this session. You should understand the importance of this method too. Once you understand this method too, remaining problems are cakewalk. I am telling you, sir, they are all very easy. They are damn easy if you understand this method too. Remaining problems you will feel very easy and you will keep solving it so fast. I hope the idea is very clear for every student who is listening to the class. First of all, kindly comment in the live chat if both method 1 and method 2 are clear. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. These are all some of the methodologies. You will not find it anywhere. You will not find it anywhere. You want to challenge me? Please challenge me. Most 99.99% you will lose it. You will not find it anywhere, sir. That is the reason initially I told, please share the YouTube link with as many students. Let other students also get benefited out of this free session. Lakshmikant, your doubt says, here there is solution. Solutions means both milk and water, right? Why are you taking only milk parameter then? That means that doubt, I know that students will ask this doubt. That is the reason I explained very clearly beta in method 1. 9 by 10 here also, 9 by 10 here also. 9 by 10 here also, 9 by 10 here also. That means 9 by 10 will be there for both milk and water. But because I am writing only, because I am interested in only milk parameter, I will only write that value. I am not worried about this 9 by 10 in water. That is the first question. Now listen carefully, sir. Now listen carefully. Now observe carefully. The beauty about this method is, the beauty about A and C way of solving is, now see here. Now see here. What is the first question? Let me write the first question once again because I want to connect the dot between the problem. Initially 1000 ml of pure milk is present. Initially 1000 ml of pure milk is present. I am taking out 100 ml of milk. I will add 100 ml of water, which you already know it, right? Which you already know it. Now it became solution. I will take out 100 ml of solution. Again I will add 100 ml of water. Next again, once again I will take out 100 ml of solution and I will add 100 ml of water. Now your question is, find the final volume of milk and water. That was your question. Now listen carefully, sir. My first question says, in my first question I told you that 1000 ml of pure milk is present. I am taking out 100 ml, adding 100 ml, taking out 100 ml, adding 100 ml, taking out 100 ml, adding 100 ml. That means all the values which are taken out and the values which are added, both are same values. Taking out value is also 100, added value is also 100. I am not changing the values in my first question. That means everywhere it is 100, 100, 100 written 6 times. Now see the problem 2. Now see how I will connect the dots in creating another beautiful question. Listen carefully, sir. Forget about the question. I will explain you the question. I will explain you the question in diagram itself. Don't read the question and waste your time. I will explain it in diagram itself. Your vessel has, initially the vessel is having 100 ml of pure milk. Initially the vessel is having 100 ml of pure milk. What I will do is, in this 100 ml of pure milk, first I will take out 100 ml of milk outside and I will add 10 ml of milk outside I will take out. I will add 10 ml of water. Now it became solution. Next, I will not take out 10 ml once again like my previous problem. I will change the numerical values. I will take out 20 ml of solution. I will add 20 ml of water. I will add 20 ml of water. Next, I will take out 30 ml of solution. I will add 30 ml of water. Your question is, find the final volume of milk inside the vessel. Sir, can I find water also? Yes. From 100 subtract milk, you will get water. That is not a big deal, sir. Anyway, now I hope the question is clear. Now if you observe carefully, the values are changing. First it is 10 taken out, 10 added. 20 taken out, 20 added. 30 taken out, 30 added. The values are changing right now. Now, same logic, sir. I will not go to method 1 and waste my time and your time also. I will directly switch on to beautiful ANC methodology. The method says, always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Now, The decreasing parameter in this question also is milk. I am finding the final volume of milk. Initial volume of milk is 100. Write down that 100. Same logic, sir. 10 out of 100 is taken out. That means 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining inside is 9 by 10. Now, you took out 10, but you added 10 water. That means total volume again became 90 plus 10, which is 100 right now. Now, same logic once again, sir. Once again, same logic. Let me use a different color so that you will also identify it easier. Now as of now 100 ml of solution is present. 20 out of 100 is taken out. 20 out of 100 is nothing but 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is taken out. Remaining is 8 by 10. 2 by 10 is taken outside. Remaining is 8 by 10. That means 20 is taken out. It became 80. Again 20 water is added. Again it became 100. Now 30 out of 100 is taken out. 30 out of 100 is nothing but 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is taken out. Remaining is how much? Remaining is 7 by 10. 100 will cancel with 100. 9 into 80 is 72. 72 into 7 is nothing but 504. 504 divided by 10. Answer for this question is milk final quantity is nothing but 50.4 ml. I believe that method 2 is making you to solve the fast questions in the most fastest way possible. I hope the idea is very clear, sir. Do not worry. You will fall in love with content, sir. You will. There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt. Probably the couple of students who have probably unliked it in this particular video are maybe are people who might be our competitors, or maybe the students who don't have patience. They think that I am explaining too much slow. The reason behind explaining too much slow for you people is only for you to understand. Otherwise, I can go very fast. I hope this question is very clear for every student, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat once again. It should be very, very clear. Hamid says it is clear. Tejas Kumar says it is clear. I expect comment from all the 60 plus students, not 4 or 5 people or 10 students comment and other people just keep on sitting in the class listening without commenting. My sincere request, sir, please comment so that I will also understand that every student is actually understanding the concept. 1000 ml of pure milk is present. Initial. I am talking about first problem once again. Listen carefully. I will not explain you the problem, but I am writing the question. 100 ml is taken out. 100 ml is added. 100 ml of solution is taken out. 100 ml water is added. 100 ml of solution is taken out. 100 ml of water is added. This is my first question where all the numbers are same. All the numbers, taking out a number and added numbers are same, which I told you. Second question. What was my second question? Initial volume is 100 ml of pure milk. Only milk was present initially, sir. Now, I told you that I will change the numbers in my second question. 10 ml of milk is taken out. 10 ml of water is added. 20 ml of milk is taken out. 20 ml of water is added. 30 ml of solution is taken out. 30 ml of water is added. That means there is a change of numerical values in added part. Right? There is a change of numerical values in added part. Now, very recently one of the students posted this doubt right after second problem was completed. In today's live class itself, one of the students posted this doubt. So what is the doubt? That doubt is nothing but my third problem. Sir, here 10 ml of milk is taken out. You are adding 10 ml of water. Instead of adding the same 10 ml, can I add a different number? That means here all the 6 numbers are same. Here 2 numbers are same. 2 numbers are same. 2 numbers are same. Can I have a question where all the 6 numbers are different? Definitely you can. Definitely you can. And that is how I want you people to learn, by connecting the dots. And that is exactly what we will teach in Anil Nair classes YouTube channel. And that is exactly what is given for all the enrolled students in all the topics of aptitude, reasoning and verbal. Listen to my third problem, how beautifully I will connect the dots, sir. Don't read the question. It's waste of reading the question. If you listen to my class, I will make the problem very simpler by diagrams itself. Now see here, sir. Let me write the diagram, explain it neatly for you. Initially, 1000 ml of pure milk is present. Don't read the question, listen to my question. Right, initially 1000 ml of pure milk is present. What I will do is 100 ml of milk is taken outside. 100 ml of milk is taken out. Instead of adding the same 100 ml once again, what I will do is I will add some other number. 200 ml of water is added. Now it becomes a solution. Now 300 ml of solution is taken outside. I will not add 300. I will add 400 ml of water this time. Again, I will not take something which is the same number 400. I will take 500 ml of solution outside. I will add 600 ml of water. I will add 600 ml of water. Your simple question is, what is the quantity of milk in the solution right now? What is the quantity of milk in the solution right now? Final quantity of milk is the question. Now see here, sir. All the 6 numbers are different. All the 6 numbers are different. Beautiful logic. Same method to what I taught you. I will explain once again. Always work with the parameter which is decreasing. Milk is decreasing in this question. So I will work with the milk parameter. That means I am finding the final quantity of milk in this question. Initial quantity is 1000. Let me write 1000. Now observe carefully. 100 out of 1000 is taken out. 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining inside is 9 by 10. Let me write that 9 by 10. Now 100 out of 1000 is taken out. That means at this present moment it became 1000 minus 100, 900. But I added 200 ml of water. 900 plus 200 is 1100. Now the total volume after step number 2, after adding water, is 1100 or 1100. Same logic once again. 300 out of 1100 is taken out. 300 out of 1100. It is 3 by 11 is taken out. If I take out 3 by 11, remaining inside is 8 by 11, because 3 plus which number is 11? 3 plus 8 is 11. 8 by 11 is remaining inside. Again same explanation. Out of 1100, 300 is taken out. So at this point it became 800 solution. For 800 solution I added 400 water. So at this point, after step number 4, totally 800 plus 400, 1200 total volume is present inside. Again same logic, sir. 500 out of 1200 is taken out. What a beautiful logic here. 500 out of 1200 is taken out. That means 5 by 12 is taken out. Remaining inside is 7 by 12. You don't even have to worry about how much water you have added finally, because you are finding how much milk is present inside. So don't worry about the last step, how much water you have added. It makes no sense also. 0 will cancel. This is 4 into 2, 4 into 3, and 3 into 1, 3 into 3. So your final answer will be 100 into 3 is 300. 300 into 2 is 600. 600 into 7 is 4200. 4200 divided by 11. Answer for this question is 381.81 ml, which is nothing but option C. Is it difficult, sir? I believe that any student who is listening to the class should be proud of yourself, saying that, wow, what a beautiful method here. One more similar kind of question for your practice. This is only for your practice. I am taking this 4th question only for your practice, sir. Right? Similar kind of question. Now see here, sir. Now see here. The same question, whatever I have written there, I am putting it in a diagram format. Your question says, okay, let me read the question also. A vessel is full of 80 liters milk. That means initial volume is 80 liters of pure milk. Initial volume is 80 liters of pure milk. Question says, if 10 liters of milk is taken out and replaced by same amount of water, that means 10 liter of milk is taken out and I am replacing it with same liters of water. 10 liter of water is added. Further 16 liters of mixture is taken out, replaced by same water. 16 liter of mixture is taken out. I am replacing it with same water, 16 liters once again. Again further 8 liters of mixture is taken out and replaced by same amount of water. 8 liters of mixture is taken out and replaced by same amount of water. And the last step says again further 20 liters of mixture is taken out, replaced by same amount of water. I am taking out 20 liters of mixture and I am replacing it with 20 liters of water. Then your question says, at the end of fourth process, after 4 steps are completed like this, that means 4 different steps. Taking out and adding is one step according to the question. At the end of fourth process, the amount of water present in the mixture is how much. Now they are not asking you what is the milk present. They are asking you what is the water present. Now, even though they are asking you what is the water present, I know the concept that always work with the parameter that is decreasing. And in this question also, the parameter that is decreasing is milk. Let me work with milk itself. In the final step, if I want to get water, I will subtract with the total volume 80. Simple. Subtraction is not a difficult task anyway. Right now, let me work out with milk. Right? Same logic, sir. Milk is the parameter that is decreasing. Initially 80. Let me write it little smaller so that I can write it, fit it everything in one liner itself. Initially 80. 10 out of 80 is taken out. 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining is 7 by 10. That means from 80 I took 10. It became 70. I added 10. So it became 70. Sorry, it became 80 once again. Next, 16 out of 80 is taken out. 16 out of 80. 16 into 1 is 16, 16 into 5 is 80. That means 1 by 5 is taken out. Remaining inside is 4 by 5. 16 is taken out. 16 water is added. So total volume once again became 80. 8 out of 80 is taken out. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 into 10 is 80. 1 by 10 is taken out. Remaining is 9 by 10. And you added 8 water once again. Final volume once again became 80. 20 out of 80 is taken out. 20 out of 80 is nothing but 20 into 1, 20 into 4. 1 by 4 is taken outside. Remaining inside is 3 by 4. How beautifully you can solve it in one liner, sir. I hope you are understanding the difference between some local textbook or some other YouTube channels where they follow method 1 and A and C way of solving where we actually emphasize you people on solving by using method 2, which will give you the answer fast. Now observe carefully how beautifully you can simplify once again. 8 into 10 is 80. Cancels with 80. Now what else can be cancelled? 4 and 4 can be cancelled. Remaining things are nothing but 7 into 9 is 63. 63 into 3, it is nothing but 189. 189 divided by 5. Sir, how can I calculate 189 divided by 5 in a faster way? These are all something which I myself has taught you in simplification class. Don't ever forget that simplification class. Enrolled students, if you have forgotten, please revisit and listen to it once again. Simplification is utmost important. Question number 5. Now, this is also a similar kind of question only, but the options which were given in the examination are slightly little beautiful. The options are slightly good, sir. I could not print that option at that time or type that option, or my team could not do that. That is the reason I am writing that option right now. First option is 19 factorial divided by 12 factorial into 1 by 20 power 6. Similar kind of question only, but the option is what it matters in this question. Second option, 20 factorial divided by 12 factorial into 1 by 20 power 6. Option C, 19 factorial divided by 12 factorial into 1 by 20 power 5. Fourth option is 19 factorial divided by 13 factorial into 1 by 20 power 6. These are the 4 options which were given in the examination. I just wrote the options because it was not typed by the team. Right now, listen to this carefully. Now, first thing, Vinita, I will come back to you. I'll come back to you. Let us not worry about that part right now. Now, listen to this carefully. Now, same logic. The logic remains the same. If you understand the logic, you can definitely solve many questions. Now, see here. Question says, from a can of 20 liters milk, from a can of 20 liters milk, that means initial volume is 20 liters of pure milk. Initial volume is 20 liters of pure milk. Question says 7 liters are withdrawn and replaced with water. I am taking out 7 liters of milk and replaced with water. I am adding 7 liters of water. Again 6 liters are withdrawn and replaced with water. That means I am taking out 6 liters of mixture or solution right now and I am adding 6 liters of water once again. In the similar manner, the quantity of mixture withdrawn is decreased each time by 1 liter. That means next time how much it is? It is 5 liter solution taken out, 5 liter water is added. That means quantity of mixture withdrawn is decreased by 1 liter each time and replaced with water. That means after 5 liter of solution is taken out and 5 liter of water is added, next thing is 4 liters of mixture is taken out, 4 liter of water is added. Again it is 3 liters of mixture is taken out, 3 liters of water is added. And then it is 2 liters of mixture is taken out, 2 liters of water is added. Till when should I use the same process? It is there till this process is repeated, till 1 liter of mixture is withdrawn. That means the last step is 1 liter of mixture is taken out, 1 liter of water is added, and then it is replaced with 1 liter of water. Your question is, what will be the quantity of milk left in the final mixture? If you don't know the concept what I thought, you might have faced so much of difficulty in solving the question, but now this question is a very cakewalk. That means initially 20 liters of milk is present, which is pure by nature. 20 liters of pure milk was present, 7 liters of milk was taken out, 7 liters of water was added, 6 liters of solution was taken out, 6 liters of water was added, 5 liters of solution was taken out, 5 liters of water was added. Like that this keeps continuing till when 2 liters of solution is taken out, 2 liters of water is added, and then 1 liter of solution is taken out, 1 liter of water is added. Till this process keeps continuing. That means your question says find the final quantity of milk left in the final mixture. Anyway, in this question if you observe, always work with the parameter that is decreasing. In this question also, milk is the parameter which is taken outside, so that is decreasing. So I should definitely work with milk parameter in this question also. Final quantity of milk is, initial quantity is nothing but 20. I will write down 20. Now everyone observe carefully. 7 out of 20 is taken out. 7 out of 20 is taken out. Remaining inside is 13 out of 20. How it is? Because 7 plus which number is 20? 7 plus 13 is only 20. Now 7 is added back, so it became 20 once again. 6 out of 20 is taken out. That means remaining is 14 out of 20. Similarly 6 is added back. 20 is only there in the final mixture once again. 5 out of 20 is taken out. That means 5 by 20 is taken out. Remaining is 15 by 20. And then the process continues. That means next it will be 16 by 20 when 4 is taken out. When 3 solution is taken out, it will be 17 by 20. When 2 solution is taken out, it will be 18 by 20. And then when 1 liter of solution is taken out, it will be 19 by 20 remaining. I hope the idea is very clear for you. I wrote it little in a smaller font because I want it to be written in one liner. So, but I believe that it is very clearly visible for you people. Now, this will be my final answer for this question. Actually, this is the final answer. You can simplify, you can cancel 20 and 20, and 14 is nothing but 2 into 7, 20 is 2 into 10. Like that, you can cancel and simplify few terms. But look at the answer options. Answer options are given in terms of factorials. Answer options are given in terms of factorials. What is the meaning of factorial? 5 factorial is start from 5, write till 1. Go back in the reverse direction, multiply everything. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which so many students might know it already. 7 factorial is, it is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You know this already. So what I will basically do is, I want this entire calculation to be expressed in terms of factorials. I want it to be expressed in terms of factorials. First thing is, one of the 20s I will cancel it. One of the 20s I will cancel it. Second thing is, if you observe the denominator, denominator is 20 is multiplied how many times? 20 is multiplied 5 times here, right? As of now, 20 is multiplied 5 times. I hope you are understanding, sir, right? As of now, 20 is multiplied 5 times. Now observe carefully. Can I say that numerator, what I will do is, I will multiply 1 into 3, 2 into 3 into, like that till 12 I will multiply. Sir, why are you doing this? I will not do any calculation mistake, sir. I will divide it as well. If I multiply and divide by the same numbers, the calculation will not be changed anyway, which you also know it. So I am multiplying and dividing by 1 into 2 into 3 till 12. Why am I doing this? Observe carefully. Numerator already was having 13 into 14 into 15 till 19. Till 19 it was present already, right? Numerator already had this, and denominator is nothing but 20, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 is there. That means 20 is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In fact, not 5 times, sir. I made a mistake there while saying 20 is multiplied 6 times in the denominator earlier itself. Why did I do like this is, for the simple reason that I can make use of factorials. Now what is the numerator? 1 into 2 into 3 into 2, 4 into etc. till 12 into 13 into 14 etc. till 19. That is nothing but 19 factorial for you. That is nothing but 19 factorial. Denominator is 1 into 2 into 3 etc. till 12. It is nothing but 12 factorial multiplied with 1 divided by, already I have 20 power 6. I have expressed my answer in terms of factorials, and that is what is given in terms of answer options also. It is not that you should solve it however the way you want it, sir. You need to express however the way it is given in the options. Then only you can mark a particular option and move ahead for the next question. Otherwise, how will you do it? You cannot keep on multiplying 19 factorial and 12 factorial and dividing by it, right? I hope the idea is clear. Although this question is similar to previous question, but the question says it decreases by 1 liter every time until it becomes 1 liter solution is taken out, and the process keeps continuing till that point. And the second important thing in this question is, answer options are given in terms of factorials. So answer for this question is option A, which is nothing but 19 factorial divided by 12 factorial into 1 by 20 power 6. I hope the idea is very clear with the first 5 questions whatever I have solved in this particular class. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat. Every student should comment in the live chat. Yes, Lakshmikant Reddy, 6 times I made a mistake while telling it, sir. 20 was not multiplied 5 times in the denominator, it was multiplied 6 times. You are right, sir. I made a mistake, but I corrected my mistake during the explanation once again. Answer is in factorial. You should express in terms of factorial.